के गेटवे हुआ करते थे।
Ka College of Community Science Central Agricultural University Imphal Tura Meghalaya kalapelong ya ka National Symposium ka balai singilenter halo kapang Threads of Heritage Exploring Traditional Textiles and Natural Fibers. Haga College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Sciences ha umyam. Haga nega program lawan banishim binta da Myntri Rangbah ukonrat ki sangma kum ukongsan bat ka archana chitness ka MLA na Madhya Pradesh ka balong kum ka sembut kongsan. Ukonrat ulapli Paidbah ru ya ka Cultural and Textile Exhibition ka bapen I ya ka rukom than kti tanrai. Ki rukom thirjan bat ki ksai ki bedei bat ka maryang na keleng ki benta jong ka than shatay lam mingi. Aba jingkran ukonrat ulay ro ya ka jingtray shitom jong ki nong shnakti da ka banjur ba omdei ki than tang ya ki jan henry ki pen iru ila ka riti culture bat ka jing itu jong ka than.
The importance of the traditional textile and handloom sector that we have in the northeast region of our country, and giving it the importance and giving the recognition to the artisans and the weavers who have been doing it just because they have so much of passion and love for it and not being recognized at all for it. And when you talk about the textiles, the traditional wear and the handloom, you see, it's not just weaving the clothes or the threads that we are doing. We are weaving our history, our culture, our heritage into this.